Hello there everybody, it's Parv here and welcome back to another video here on the ParvTube Show. So without further ado, for today's video, we're going to be doing a how-to tutorial video for today, which is going to be pretty cool. So this is going to be my first how-to tutorial video, and this video is not going to add any kind of edit. That means intro, outro, more channel updates, end screens, all this kind of things. Because for today's how-to tutorial video, we're going to be using the software, Open Broadcaster Software, or OBS, and how to install it. So this is going to be pretty cool. So without further ado, let's cue on the intro, and then we're going to start off with today's how-to tutorial video. Cue it if you please. Yes, thank you for the channel intro, of course, that we've just cued it. And so for today's how-to tutorial video, like from last recording that I said earlier, we are going to install Open Broadcaster Software, or OBS, so that you can live stream and record videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you gotta do is, you're in the new tab, right? So all you have to do is just go to OBS Studio, or just simply go to OBS. And it's this first project right here. It says obsproject.com. And right here, you have three options in order to, I would say, install OBS. So we have Windows, Mac, and Linux. So I'm using a Windows computer right now, so I would recommend to go to Windows. So there you go. It's going to take a while. You click on Windows, and you're going to open the file right here. It's going to take a while to... Now it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And it says yes. You have to click on yes. And then you go through the process that says OBS Studio 26.11 setup, which installs OBS Studio, of course. So you go through the process, of course, and this is license information. You have to go through all the process before you install OBS. And it says OBS Studio. And you can see the different instructions that you can see. You just go through the process, okay? And then you gotta install. You have to extract the files. It's gonna take a while to load up. And this is the version 26.11 is being installed. Yeah, this is the OBS version right here. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna almost have the green line come through here, and although the app is still there, which is pretty cool. Let's just wait. All right, there we go. So now it says it has been installed on my computer, and then it says finish. You click on finish, and then there we go. Now, you have to go to, once you have done that, you have to go to OBS Studio 64, or it's already popped up already, but if you do have OBS, then that's fine. Now it says Auto Configuration Wizard. It's basically the setup on how you can install OBS, of course. Hold on, let me move this for a while. Okay, there we go. And it says, you go through all the process, basically. You just click on Next. And then click on next. Just go through the process. I'm gonna click on YouTube right now. Alright, let's just cancel for a while. It's just go through the process and everything. The auto configuration wizard. And that's how you install OBS. To see what it looks like. There we go. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all like it, and please, please, please make sure to do things I've told y'all to do. Number 1, click on that subscribe button. 2, turn on notifications so that you won't miss any videos that we've just uploaded. 3, make sure to like this video. And 4, be sure to comment down below to see what new and old videos I have on my YouTube channel. And if you don't have these software, you can take a look at one of these videos as I post them on the link in the, I would say, description, so that it will help you to install OBS, alright? And we'll be back with more videos as soon as possible, or just stay in tune for more videos if we have time to do it. Until we're signing out for now, everybody. You guys and gals take care, and peace out.